Hello everyone and good evening. And I would like to tell you about something to my application of job of UM, but there is official there in HR and never think about and what is good to their fine arts students. They didn't accept me a job as their professor, and they are not giving them a time to learn more things from me. And I am so very sadly and disappointed of that person in your HR office. You know that guy, that is a very bullshit. You know that. But now I would like to tell you that I will show you what I am. UM HR office. You are very full person. You know that. If I will see you in HR office, all of you there in that department, and I will slap you. You have a word on me. You don't know, and you don't know just what happened to your students, and you don't know what are needs of your students, and you don't know what are the things to learn of your students, and you don't know everything. You know, you never think what is better of your students, especially the fine arts students. I would like to tell you to reach out the president of the UM, Mr. Edward Torres. I would like to tell you what your officers did on me, not accepting my job and to call me to help your students in fine arts. I hope, sir, and please tell your officer, especially that man, that sir, that stinky man, and tell him what he did on me. He don't know. If you want to know, sir, just look first your fine arts students in your school. If you know they have a lack of knowledge of learning of art. If you want to give a good future of your students, especially your fine arts, you have to get a better teacher. Just tell your officer in the HR and never do that for me. I am a professor and I can file him a case if he do that to me. You know, sir, I don't know you are a good man or not, sir. If you're a good man, just accept me my job in your school. If not, it's okay, but I will show you what I am. I will put you a shameful on your school and your HR officer, especially you. Goodbye.